We're in mid-February. This is Valentine's week, and the low temperatures right about where they should be. Nothing really extreme, and nothing extreme on the really long-term outlook here. One thing we can say is you're not seeing any return to snow at least a week out.
Right. 7-day forecast looking like 40s, 50s, and 60s. If we have any precipitation, which it does look to be the case for this weekend, it's going to be rain rather than snow. So we're really flipping that pattern here. Obviously, the first full week of February was a cold one. It was that pattern that rounded out the month of January, took us into the beginning of February. What you're seeing here, the blue days, those mean we had high temperatures that were below the daily climate average high. The last 3 days, we're back to red, which means our high temperatures have been above the daily average climate high there. And you can see here yesterday, obviously the warmest day, that taste of spring, close to 70 degrees in Louisville. That was the warmest we had been since January 9th. So we took a step back today, right around 50 degrees. Tomorrow looking to be just a few degrees cooler simply because we will have more cloud cover around. And then we return to the 50s, low to mid 50s Friday through the weekend. Not bad for February. Upper 50s on Monday, and then 60s look likely by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. That average high is 47 in Louisville for this time of year. Right now, we have cooled back down to 35 degrees in Louisville, so we've cooled about 15 degrees from our afternoon high. It's still 41 in Bowling Green, 33 in Lexington, 30 in Cincinnati, and 30 in Indianapolis. We are expecting those lows to dip down well below freezing again tonight, down into the 20s. So as we've been mentioning, if you still have areas of snowpack that have been gradually melting, like those giant mounds on the sides of the roads, as they melt and then refreeze at night, we could continue to see some slick spots here or there. But all is dry for the overnight hours, mostly clear conditions with lows in the 20s. We could have some patchy fog with those clear skies and light winds overnight before clouds increase again tomorrow. This model showing a couple of sprinkles here. We're looking to stay dry tomorrow with high pressure overhead and temperatures topping out in the 40s with fairly light winds as well. Overnight lows tomorrow night dip back down into the 20s. Then fast forward to this weekend, we start off Saturday dry, but once we head some point in the evening hours, you can see this rain rolling in from the west and southwest. This is 8 p.m. on Saturday, increasing in coverage Saturday night and into Sunday morning, and then gradually tapering off as we head throughout the afternoon and evening hours on Sunday. Looking to pick up anywhere between 1/2 of an inch to 1.5 inches of total rainfall. Otherwise, temperatures in the 40s tomorrow, 50s Friday, Saturday, Sunday into Monday, and then we return right back up into the 60s Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.